Hey guys, we are having a system here 820.00165. As you can see, we have a bad trackpad and keyboard is not functioning. But once you shut it down, and try to install up to the option key, you'll see that the keyboard and the mouse will be working. Okay, now let's check. The mouse is working here. Now let's confirm if the keyboard is also working. The keyboard is also working. So you can see that we are having the error on the OS aspect. From the schematic diagram, this is the controller for the flex. The main controller for the flex is U4810, and which takes in 3 volts. Now from the reading, I believe this is working. U4810 is working, because if it is not working, there will be no functionality on the option aspect. So probably we are going to be looking at resistor 4852 and resistor 4851, because these are the minor resistors that can obstruct the functionality when it's on the on the OS aspect. And also I believe this XPI ISO also can cause this problem. So let's lose it and see what we can do about it. Okay, after we've changed the resistors arrow 48, 51, 52 and 53, and also arrow 48, 50, but the main chips will change on this motherboard actually is arrow 4850, arrow 4851, arrow 4852 and arrow 4853. Those are the trackpad XPI sensors. We have the trackpad XPI clock, we have the trackpad XPI MOSFET, and we have the trackpad XPI CL. So those are the main chip controlling the system. Now this chip serves as a resistor. When is on the when the system is on boot option, the trackpad works. But when it's on the normal operating system, it does not work. Simply means that these chips are not receiving the normal 3 volts to extend the power. The XPI clock tells the trackpad to boot and to work, because the SMC has already given it power. So after just checking everything, we'll have replaced them, and let's put it to test now to check if what we did is actually working. Hi guys, as you can see, actually we've succeeded in doing the job. The trackpad is working, the keyboard is working perfectly. So as you can see, we did a nice job on this, perfectly and working well. So next time you have any issue concerning MacBook trackpad giving you issues and challenges, just first of all check if there is complete XPI entering the system. Once the XPI is complete on the motherboard, everything is going to work well. This is very nice, a nice job. As you can see, everything is working. Thanks for watching, and keep subscribing to our channel. HGS Assist. For more systems, you can contact us on anywhere. We are always available.